Now we are ready for Air Force. So go ahead and open up your page so you can see it. Um, the thing about this song is the repetition. I like it. The first two measures of the first three lines are exactly the same thing. So that's almost half the song. Almost exactly the same. So we're going to start with those first two measures since it's played so much. Okay? So we have, if you notice the first two measures, it's E, G, G, F, E, D. E, G, G, F, E, D. Then the next four quarter notes in the second measure, this gets a little tricky though. E, F, F sharp. Remember F to F sharp, G. E, F, F sharp, G. E, F sharp, G. Now listen to the first two measures together. Try it. Again. One more time. Good. I'm getting ready to go on, but make sure this is an important part of the song, so make sure you know this part before you move on to the next. Rewind it if you have to until you get that part down. It comes up so frequently that it's really, really important. Let's do it one more time, and then I'm moving on. Okay, now I'm moving on to measure 3 and 4 on the first line. Okay? This is where measure 3 and 4 and all three lines are going to be totally different. The rhythms are the same, but they're going to be different. So here's the first line, measure 3 and 4. It's A, C, C, D, C, A, G. A, C, C, sorry, A, C, C, D, C, A, G. One more time. Good. Now here's the whole first line, all of it put together. And here it is once more. Okay? Now, let's move on to line number 2. We already know the first two measures. I'm not going to start there. I'm going to start on measure 3 and measure 4. So it's B, D, D, C, B, A, G. It's the same rhythm as the one right above it, but the notes are different. B, D, D, C, B, A, G. Again. Do it again, I messed that one up. Now here's the whole second line with those first two measures in front of it. Here we go. And once more. Okay, now here's line 3, measure 3 and 4. We will not be playing the last note of that line, which is the E, the 8th note E. That's a pickup to the next line. So we're not going to be playing that one. We'll stop on the B, okay? So it's A, C, C, A, B, C, B, A, B, C, B, B, C, B, B, C, B, A, B, C, B. So back at it. A, C, C, A, B, C, B. Again. My fault. Let me try over. Start over. Again. Good. Now I'm going to do the whole line. Line number 3. One more time. Good. Now on to line 4. We're going to skip that E for just a second at the end of line 3 because we're going to play a new note in here. We're going to play a C sharp. If you'll see the little sharp sign beside it, it's not a hashtag, it's a sharp. Okay? We're going to play C, which we all know is C. A C sharp is we're going to take our thumb and just uncover it halfway. That's a C sharp. And then a D is we take it all the way off. So we're going to play C, C sharp, D. C, C sharp, D. And you can do it just by rolling your thumb a little bit and opening it up just enough to expose that hole. Listen. C, C sharp, D. Too high for me. Okay? So now, it's going to be C, C, C sharp, 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 D. C, C sharp, 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 D. That's the rhythm. C, C sharp, 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 D. Okay? Again. Again. After that, D, D, and we're going to go D, A. This is going to be D, D, A. Okay, so it's back to the beginning of that line. And now I'm going to add that E back on, the one at the end of line 3. So it's going to be E, C, E, C, and then continue on. Try it again. Start over. Messed that up. Still messed it up. One more time. Good. Now the second half, starts on A, that pickup into the next measure. Hey.
Good afternoon. Sorry for the interruption. We believe, fingers crossed, that we have a bell system in place. We believe at 2:50 the bell will go off. That first bell will be for car riders and walkers. We also believe at 2:55 another bell will go off, and that is for bus riders. So we won't make an announcement today except for this one, and we hope to hear a bell at 2:50 and 2:55. Thank you.
Okay, we're going to start off the pickup the A into the G, right there, going into measure 3. So it's A, G, 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 C, G, C, C, D, C. Again. Again. Now I'm going to do the pickup into line 3, or line 4. Start up there on line 3 on that E, and I'll play the whole line, line number 4. Here it goes. If I can do it right, I'm going to do it one more time. Do it again. I'll get there. And one more time.